Hi guys, welcome to this MySQL tutorial, and in this tutorial we will focus on how to insert data into the table we created last time. So I have already browsed through to my folder where my MySQL application is present. So now I have to connect to my MySQL server. So I will do MySQL -u, username is root, -p, I don't have a password, then -h, hostname is 127.0.0.1. I don't have a password, so I'll just press enter. So it says you are connected to MySQL. If in your case for any reason it is showing that some error has occurred, then just go ahead and open up your XMPP control panel and check here if the MySQL server is running. If it is not running, then press on start, it will start running. Then redo the thing and it will start again. So in the last tutorial we created a database called user login. Inside the database we created a table called user, and inside that table we inserted some parameters, four parameters actually: id, username, password and email id. So in this tutorial we will just insert data into that table. So first of all I will do a show database. So databases, there it is, user login. Now again I'll write use user login. I'll write show tables. So there is one table user. So I'll just write describe user. So here it is, four parameters are present: id, username, password and email, and these are all the characteristics of those parameters. So in this tutorial we'll just insert data into those fields. So let's start by writing insert into, our table name is user, and we'll start the parenthesis here. We don't have to insert the value of id because it is set to auto increment, so it will automatically increase. So we'll just have to insert the values for username, password and email. I'll just press enter here, and here I'll write my values. So our username is a varchar of 25 characters. So for varchar you have to use single quotes. Remember that you have to only use single quotes because double quotes won't work for MySQL. So suppose my username is prime Tiver, comma, my password will be suppose 12345, and suppose my email ID is abc123 at the rate of hotmail.com. Now I'll close my parenthesis here, end the statement and press enter. So it says query OK, one row affected. Now we have just inserted values into our table, and we can see those values by typing in select star from user. Star means everything from user. So here it is, id equals to 1, username is prime Tiver, password is 12345 and email is abc123 at the rate of hotmail.com. Now I will enter another set of data into this table. So I will write insert into, our table name is user, and id I don't have to enter, so username, then password, then email. I don't have to press enter, I just can write values, and I will start with username. Suppose username is Java, password is javanet, and email ID is javac at the rate of gmail.com. I'll end the parenthesis, add semicolon and press enter. It says query okay, one row affected. Now to see all the data present in the table, I will write select star from user and add semicolon and press enter. So here it is, when ID is 1, the username is prime tuber, password is 12345 and email is this. When ID is 2, username is java, password is javanet and email is this. So this is for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we'll talk more about updating a database and selecting from databases. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.